Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book today. Looks like today we're going to do puzzle number 92. Just a reminder before we get started, please do like, subscribe, and share this with anyone else you think might enjoy the content. That all really helps the channel out. So looks like this box here, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We got a 2 there. So 5, 2. For this row then, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 3, 7. For this box then, we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 there. So 5, 6. A 6 there. So 1, 5. 1, 5. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. So for this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 4, 5. For this box then, we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 9 there. So 3, 9. For this column then, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6 and 3. For this column, we're missing a 1 and 7, and we don't have any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. But then for this box, we're also missing a 3, which can't be there. So this has to be our 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this has to be our 7. 1, 2, and that 1 makes this our 7. For this column, we're missing a 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 here. So 4, 6, no help here. 1, 4, 6, but a 4 and 6 there. So that makes this our 1. And we can get rid of this 1 here. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. Got no help here. 3, 4, 5. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 5. 3 here and a 4 here. So this is our 5, 3, 4. That 5 makes us our 1 and our 5. For this column then, looks like we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 1, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 3, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 5. No help here. So 4, 5, 6. And we've got a 5 there. So 4, 6. For this row, we've got a 1, or we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 5. We've got a 1 here. So 3, 5, the 1 here, and a 3 here. So 5, 3, 1. For this row, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. To finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 6, 5, 4, 6, and 4. All right, that is it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much again for joining me, and please do come back tomorrow for our next puzzle.